really getting that whole team on board, having your front desk help you with those temperature checks and all those silly forms now that you have to sign, that takes like 5 minutes.
Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us. And I am thrilled to be talking to Amanda Hill again. How the heck are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Always fun to be with you, Mike.
Thanks. Yeah, you too. So I've heard a lot, and you probably have too, that our old 50-minute hygiene appointments are taking 70 minutes because there's so many little things that are slowing us down. Do you have any tips to make those hygiene appointments a little bit more efficient and productive?
You know, I think it's going to take a team effort because it is hard. I was back in the app yesterday and I ran behind the whole day, and I never run behind, and it was super frustrating. But you know, if you're not able to use your ultrasonic scaler yet, if you're always still hand scaling, that's a tough one. You got to make sure you have sharp instruments. If you can get sharp and free ones, even better. You know, if you're able to get some high evacuation suction, like, you know, the Purivac or the Relief or something like that to help you so that you can use some of those ultrasonic scalers. But really,
and there's a learning curve with some of those, but once you get it, you got it, and they do work terrifically well.
They really do. They really come in handy, and then you can get back to sort of hygiene as normal a little bit, and you're still staying safe. But really getting that whole team on board, having your front desk help you with those temperature checks and all those silly forms now that you have to sign, that takes like 5 minutes. And so your front desk can help you with that part, and everybody's sort of working together so you can don and doff all of your stuff and still have time to go to the bathroom and take a water break. That's important too, because you got to take care of yourself.
Great advice as always. That's brilliant. Thanks, Amanda.
Absolutely. You guys got to look out for each other. Oh, and happy Dental Hygiene Month.
October.
Yeah.
Nice. Brilliant. All right, everybody. Thanks. Let's do this again, Amanda.
Sounds good.